Alors bonjour à tous, aujourd'hui dans cette vidéo je vous emmène dans un endroit particulier ici dans la ville de Siem Reap. Je vous emmène dans un endroit verdoyant, un endroit de nature avec des chevaux. Je vous amène chez Sary Pann, le propriétaire du Happy Ranch, et vous allez voir, vous allez être étonné.
Bonjour, bienvenue. My name is Sary Pann. I'm a Cambodian American. I was born in Siem Reap, Cambodia. I come back from America over 20 years ago for my retire in Siem Reap, And I create the horse farm here, founded the horse farm in Siem Reap. I do love horse very much because the horse is smart, the horse is a real good animal. The horse help build the Angkor Wat temple. Well, if you would like to have experience about the horse, you don't have to be a champion rider. Even first time rider on a horse, you want to experience with the horse, we can have you sit on the horse or we can lead you to go to countryside. If you don't have no experience at all, that you can feel about the horse. Or you don't have to ride the horse. You can come visit at the Happy Ranch Horse Farm here. You can pet them, you can feed them, you can talk to them, you can touch them, or you want to wash them, we let you do it. If you want to get more experience about the horse, if you want to learn about the horse, the horse is very friendly, very friendly. All these trees I put over 20 years. I planting them by myself. Over 20 years ago, I create a statue, make sure that people come here, enjoy it, to see it, amazing. This is in Siem Reap, there's only one place here, create the mountain, waterfall, and then we can see a lot of things here. You will release your stress. Everyone, I'm open for you to come. I'm welcome everyone to come.